Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates, and give me your valuable opinion. In this video, we are going to check out the best 5 phone camera lens. Okay, let's see the features to find the best ones. Best of 5. JOPREE cell phone camera lens. We use professional multi-layer SLR optics glass in our lenses to give you razor-sharp quality. Multiple lens elements are used to give distortion-free images, make color rendition up to 99%, explore your fascinating world of visual enjoyment now. Capable of 2x the zoom, the telephoto lens delivers superior quality pictures from a distance without you having to move an inch. Close-up shot not only can shorten the distance effectively, but also blur the background. 2 clips fit for most phones, front and rear compatibility make photograph has never been easier. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. XENVO iPhone camera lens. Comparing the photos above quickly reveals the difference between XENVO premium quality lenses and cheap, low-quality alternatives. Cheap wide-angle lenses will distort your photos, giving a warped, fisheye appearance, straight lines appear curved. Poor quality construction and design of cheap wide-angle lenses results in unwanted darkening of corners in photos. XENVO wide-angle lenses feature additional glass elements that correct unwanted lens distortion so straight lines appear straight. High-quality, German optical-grade glass provides crystal-clear images from edge to edge with no dark corners. Best of 3. Camera lens kit by ZESO. High-quality plastic clip allows quick and easy connection. New design universal clip can attach any 37mm thread digital SLR Pro lens on your mobile. 0.45x wide-angle lens for a high-definition wide-angle image, without distortion. Built-in 15x super macro lens, for extreme close-up shots. Premium rimmed lanthanide glass, high-quality rimmed glass, reduces light reflection around lens edge. Professional high-definition, PHD lens reduces glass flare, and ghosting caused by reflections. Best of 2. APEXEL phone photography kit. This 4-in-1 cell phone camera lens kit is fun, compact and has everything. By using your smartphone, accessories, such as the Bluetooth remote shutter, and tripod for cell phones. Will this work with my Android or iPhone? The smartphone telephoto lens is also a telephoto monocular lens, with eye cup. The wide-angle and macro lenses will arrive screwed together for easy storage. Best of 1. CAMKIX 5-in-1 Universal Lens Kit. The Bluetooth camera shutter remote is perfect for taking selfies or group shots. The lenses included in this set can be used with a wide range of cell phones and mobile devices including iPhones. Awesome mobile photography for back or front-facing cameras includes 5 quick connect lenses. These 2 small lenses are screwed together for easy storage. The lenses are made from aluminum to increase the durability of the product. Check the description for best price and details. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. Please, give me your precious opinion clicking by like, share, and comments.